Hello, today I'm reviewing electric spin scrubber brush. When I got this brush, it's become a game changer for me because from now on I don't need to scrub anything by hand, and this little girl doing all of the job for me. So I mainly use it in my bathroom. I clean bathroom, I clean shower doors, I clean the sinks with it, but it also can be used in a kitchen. You can clean your stove, you can clean the oven, you can also clean your windows with it. It's really nice. So I like it a lot because it's lightweight. It's also very, very easy to use, and it also has 2 speeds. I mainly actually use it on the second speed because that's speed up your work and help you with cleaning. So when it comes from the box, it comes with 4 attachments. So one of the attachment is a harder brush. You can probably see I use it most of the time. So you push the button once, it's the first speed, and then you push it again, it's the second speed, which goes faster. And you turn it off. It's very easy to unattach it. Then you can have another soft brush. I mainly actually use it for corners, around the sinks and everything. So we say turn it on, second speed goes, here you go. And then it comes with that Velcro attachment, so you put it on a brush, and it comes with a scouring brush, which is actually very, very helpful in a glass door in your shower. So you can kind of you can Velcro it, and here you go, it goes and works. And this is a polishing pad. I really like it too. So it's all working. So when you open the box, it's comes with all of those 4 attachments, including the Velcro pad. So it comes with a manual, and it also comes with a charger. And another good feature about this brush is actually waterproof. So you don't need to worry about using it in your shower. I really like it, and thanks for watching.